Can a dividend investing build a steady income stream? The average dividend yield across the Australian stock market is currently 4.1%, or twice the world average. If chosen skillfully, this income stream can have the potential to become your mainstream. Here we list some of the important factors to watch out for before finalizing a good dividend stock. Dividend yield. It is the company's current annual dividend payment divided by the current share price. Dividend yields can vary wildly, so the calculated yield may actually have little bearing on the future rate of return. Dividend history. Even if the current dividend yield is comparatively less, a faster growth rate is certainly needed. Any lack of consistency in such stocks just cannot be ignored. Also, to look for other companies' growth strategy and stated dividend policy, if any. Dividend payout ratio. The dividend payout ratio shows how much of a company's earnings after tax are paid to shareholders. A lower payout ratio can indicate that the company can maintain or even increase the dividends in future. To evaluate dividend safety aspect, investors should also see debt position, or debt-to-equity ratio, and the company's credit ratings. Are you interested in knowing more about dividend stocks? Download our free report on 10 high-quality ASX dividend stocks for 2022.